Welcome. Healthy Lifestyle Line. Subscribe to my channel for more quality videos. How to make homemade immune-boosting super tonic. A master tonic is a mixture of immune-boosting and antimicrobial herbs that may help you fight off many infections, especially if you use it daily. The fresh ingredients and nutrients in the components can help kickstart your immune system and combat sickness. With the right ingredients and recipe, you can make your own master tonic. Ingredients: 3 large heads bulbs of garlic, 2 large white onions, 3-inch piece of horseradish root, 3-inch piece of ginger root, 8 to 10 hot peppers, your choice, 32-ounce bottle of apple cider vinegar. Gathering the ingredients. Garlic. The different ingredients in the master tonic are important. The first ingredient that you need is garlic. Garlic has a number of components that have been shown to have antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties and is considered safe for adults and children in doses normally used in food. Garlic can also lower cholesterol and help control blood sugar. Buy at least 1 full bulb of garlic to make this tonic. Do not use garlic if you are taking medications like isoniazid, non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, NRTIs such as nevirapine viramune, dolaverdine restrictor, and efavirenz sativa, or other antivirals including the protease inhibitors saquinavir fortovase, invirase, amprenovir agenerase, nelfinavir viracept, and ritonavir norvir. Onion. Onions are in the same botanical family as garlic and have similar properties. These are often attributed to one of the components of onions called quercetin. Buy at least 1 whole white or yellow onion for the tonic. Onion is considered safe for adults and children in doses normally used in food. Get horseradish root. Horseradish root has a generally recognized a safe GRAS status in the US in the amounts normally used in food. Horseradish has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer activities. It has also been shown to lower blood pressure. Get at least a 3-inch piece of horseradish root. Ginger root. Ginger, which comes in the form of a root, is an important herb in traditional Chinese medicine and has generally recognized a safe GRAS status in the US in the amounts normally used in food. Ginger has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and antioxidant effects. Get at least a 3-inch piece of ginger root for the tonic. Do not use ginger if you take nifedipine. Excessive bleeding may result in rare cases. Pick a hot pepper. There are many different hot peppers that can be used in this recipe. These include cayenne, habanero, or jalapeno peppers. These peppers are rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioflavonoids that function as antioxidants and pain relievers. They also have capsaicin, a major component of cayenne pepper, which depletes substance P, a chemical messenger that transmits pain messages to the brain. Make sure to buy at least 8 to 10 hot peppers of your choice. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is widely used for a variety of disorders including heartburn, diabetes, and infections, as well as a topical treatment for acne, sores, burns, and skin infections. It is high in B vitamins and vitamin C and has antimicrobial properties. Buy a bottle of apple cider vinegar that is at least 32 ounces. Making the tonic. Prepare your ingredients. To make the tonic, peel your garlic, onions, and horseradish root. Chop the onions into smaller pieces, though they don't have to be too small. Remove the stems from your hot peppers and chop them half or thirds. Keep the seeds in your hot peppers. If you are worried about burning your skin or getting the juice from the peppers in your eyes, wear plastic gloves. Puree the ingredients. Place all the ingredients into a large blender. Chop up the ingredients if they are too large for the blender, especially the root. Blend until pureed. Marinate the tonic. Pour the puree into a large, lidded glass jar. Leave the ingredients in the wet mixture and jar to marinate. Stir the mixture daily for 2 weeks. It does not have to be refrigerated, though you can if you prefer. The jar should be dark to protect against light, but you can use a clear glass jar and place it in a dark area or cover it with a towel. Take the tonic. After 2 weeks, strain out all the solids and use the remaining liquid as your master tonic. Take 1/2 to 1 ounce daily, which is about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Gargle the master tonic for 30 seconds, then swallow. If you are already sick, you can take more each day. Keep the remaining tonic in a dark jar either in a cupboard or in the refrigerator. It keeps for a very long time without going bad. The master tonic has never been clinically tested. While all the individual components have known medicinal properties, they have not been tested altogether. However, it is safe to try, especially during cold season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.